several totalities. There was a little bit of a chaotic situation there going on, trying to catch all the different eclipses, and there was a bit of a delay. But we have a rerun for you here, and hopefully that will help us kind of gather our thoughts and our vision, I guess, to see what the eclipse looked like. So take it away, Graham, and explain what we're going to be looking at. We're looking at Sierra Colorada, the location there.
Okay, so this is right in the middle of Patagonia. So it's very close to the eclipse maximum, which was the longest totality today. We're starting this. It started about 50 seconds before totality began. There's a bit of cloud we can see here. There's a little bit of changing the filter there, where there's a difference in brightness. We're kind of seeing there a little bit of the diamond ring, because there was that little final bright, kind of bright jewel of sunlight, and that's now given way to the solar corona, which is what we're looking at here. As we said before, it is really difficult to really capture the solar corona on video. Also, there are some clouds about here, which is affecting these images as well. I think we can see there, Anna, that it is a slightly elongated solar corona. It's not perfectly symmetrical. It is a little bit wider at the side than at the top. So this is the solar corona that we're looking at, the sun's outer atmosphere. It is a plasma. It's charged gas, and it's being warped by the sun's magnetic field. Possibly around the edge of the sun, we are seeing that sort of slightly reddish color there. We mentioned the red chromosphere, which is just outside the visible surface of the sun. There is this reddish layer of the sun. Again, it's there the whole time, but we can only see it during totality, when the sun's bright central disk is covered. And I think, we are seeing that sort of a reddish color on the left edge of the sun there, as totality comes to an end, and the photosphere, there's the diamond ring. We get that amazing sort of jewel of sunlight. Suddenly goes dark again as the filter goes back on the camera. Right, because that difference between the solar corona and that crescent sun, just that narrow crescent sun, is just, millions of difference, orders of magnitude. So the solar filter goes on, and there we are back, looking at the crescent sun back into the partial eclipse phase. So that was just under 2 minutes of totality from Sierra Colorada in Argentina, and that all happened. That all happened about 35 minutes ago.
Must have been amazing to be there on the ground and see this happen in real life. The images cannot compare to the feeling of standing there while it goes dark, and the dogs barking, the birds going crazy, and it just going cold and dark in the middle of the day, in the middle of summer.
Right. Yeah.
I keep going back to how it would be for someone who didn't know that this would happen. Like, we've been preparing for this and wanting to travel to it, but imagine just being on the ground.